Hey everyone, thank you for the messages reminding me about the gratitude journal, and I do apologize. I thought it was scheduled to go up, but it's not there, so I don't know what happened to the video. So let's do it again. January the 19th through the 24th. Yes, I'm that far behind. Today's the 25th. I am grateful for my eye surgery. Yes, I am. I had it on the 21st. I have regained some sight in my left eye. I have not regained all of my sight. It's like looking through a telescope on that eye and everything around it is like white and fuzzy. But it's not total blackness anymore. So I am grateful for that. And over time, they may be able to fix that. They could not correct it the way they wanted to, so they had to go in and completely replace the lens. It wasn't great, but it wasn't real bad either. You know, considering all the skin cancer surgeries, and I'm having another one tomorrow, this was a cakewalk. I am grateful for new friends with common interests, time spent with my grandbabies, grateful to learn new things daily, and I finally got to go to Mary's entire hop. Mary IPA, and I know I'm messing up her name, I can't say it, but they ran a hop on doing J5. It's where you do 5 prompts on 20 pages, one back to back, and it was fun, but it was stressful because it was fast. I got 10. I am grateful for every day I wake up. On clarity notes, I have 2. Happiness has to start at home. Make yourself available to those around you before shutting yourself away on social media. Go for a walk and breathe deeply, or just sit outside. You have no idea how much this has changed my life just doing this. I feel healthier. I'm happier every day. I'm just a different person. You cannot help others heal themselves if you are not healing yourself first. Everybody remember that. You cannot help others heal themselves if you are not healing yourself first. And you can tell yourself, oh, I'm so much better, and many of us are. We're in a lot better place than we were a year ago, you know, emotionally. Thank God the election's over. Oh, I can't get political. But, you know, you have to take care of you. You have to take care of your happiness, your health, your well-being, and even if you only sit outside and don't walk, just get some fresh air, even if it's cold. If it's too cold to go outside, open a window and sit next to it for 5 minutes. You're not going to freeze to death in 5 minutes, but get some fresh air into your lungs. Staying in the house all the time and just breathing the recirculated air, and especially if there's any smokers in your house or a lot of pets in your house or even one pet, you're breathing in the dander from that pet. You know, they all shed. I don't care who says their pet don't shed. They shed. So, you know, the dust in your home is dead skin, mostly. You're breathing that in. So just get some fresh air. However you have to do it, just get some fresh air. You'll feel better, I promise you. So guys, take care of yourself. You're all very important to me. I want you all to be around. Hey, I need somebody to sing at my funeral. I'm kidding. But anyway, yeah, just, you know, take care of you. Put you first for a change. It's time in your life. You come first. Okay, I'll see you with the next week's one in a few days. Bye.